Let's see now how we can swap two variables in Python without using a third variable. Let's create a simple file swap.py. Use two variables, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6. Let's print those variables before swapping. Print a, print b. Also put a statement to indicate whether we are printing before swapping. Before. Then let's swap those two variables using this logic without using a third variable. A is equal to a plus b. Then let's assign b as b is equal to a minus b. Then assign a is equal to a minus b. Now again print variables after swapping. Print a, print b. Okay, now the program is ready. We have assigned initially a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, and before swapping we are printing a and b, and this is what is the logic which we use for swapping. Then we are printing a and b again in the same sequence before and after. Now let's run the program and see whether it is swapping or not. Yeah, here is the result. Before swapping, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6. After swapping, a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 5. This is one of the most important question which is asked during the interview process.